How was your day, Ted? You look tired.
I am so sorry, honey. I lost my job today.
Oh no. What happened?
The company is firing some workers.
Don't worry, my dear. I am sure you will find another job.
I am worried about our child's future.
I am worried too. I think about it every day.
We are immigrants. Life is not easy here.
Yes, everything is new. The language is different. The culture is different.
I work long hours, but it's still not enough.
I know. You are tired every day.
I want our child to have a better life than us.
Me too. I also want to help our family. I need to find a job.
You can find a job, but first you must improve your English.
You are right. My English is not strong.
You should go to English classes. When your English gets better, you can get a good job.
That's true. I will study hard.
We did not come here for an easy life. We came here for a better future.
Sometimes I feel scared.
I feel scared too, but we are together. We are strong.
We left our country and started again.
Yes, we are brave.
Our child will see our effort. He will learn from us.
One day, he will thank us.
And one day, we will feel proud.
We just need time and patience.
And hope.
Yes, and hope.
Tomorrow, I will talk to our neighbor.
About what?
She goes to an English class. I will ask her about the class.
That is a good idea.
I will ask her how to register.
Yes, ask her about the price and the schedule too.
I will. I want to start as soon as possible.
I am proud of you.
I want to improve my English. I want to help our family.
When you speak English well, many doors will open.
I know. I am nervous, but I am also excited.
Do not worry. You can do it.
I love you, Ted. We will build a better future together.
Yes, together, my honey.
Hi, Kim. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, Sophie. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. A little tired, but I'm okay.
I understand. Life is busy. How is your family?
They are fine. My husband is looking for a new job. We are trying to stay positive.
That is good. Staying positive is important.
Kim, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
I want to improve my English. I am thinking about going to an English class. I know you go to a class. Can you tell me about it?
Yes, of course. The classes are very good. The teachers are kind and patient. And the best part is that the classes are free for immigrants.
Really? They are free?
Yes, the government supports the program. Many immigrants study there.
That sounds wonderful. I was worried about the cost.
Don't worry, you only need to register. First, they will give you a level test.
A level test?
Yes, they will check your English. After that, they will decide which class is best for you.
That makes sense. I think my English is still basic.
That is okay. Everyone starts somewhere. When I arrived from China, I could not speak much English either.
Really?
Yes, but step by step, I improved. Now I feel much more confident.
Kim, would you please come with me to the college?
Of course, I can take you there. I am going tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning? That is perfect.
We can go together at 9 a.m. We will register and you will take the test.
Thank you so much, Kim. I feel very happy now.
You are welcome. Learning English will help you a lot. It will give you more opportunities in your life.
Yes, I believe that. I want a better future for my family.
And you will have it. I am sure of that.
Thank you. See you tomorrow at 9.
See you tomorrow.
Welcome to the class. You are a new student.
Yes, I am new here.
Welcome to the English class. What is your name?
My name is Sophie.
Nice to meet you, Sophie. How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
That is wonderful. Welcome to our class, Sophie. We are happy to have you here.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to improve my English. I want to find a good job and help my family.
That is a great goal. Learning English will give you many chances in life.
Sometimes I feel nervous. My English is not very good.
Do not worry. You are here to learn. Nobody is perfect.
Thank you.
Let me give you some advice.
Yes, please.
First, practice every day. Even 15 minutes is good. Second, speak English as much as possible. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Third, listen to simple podcasts and short videos. Listening will improve your pronunciation.
Fourth, learn new words every day. Write them in a notebook. Use them in sentences. And finally, be patient. Learning a language takes time.
I understand. I will study every day.
Very good. Remember, you are brave. You moved to a new country. You can learn a new language too.
Thank you, teacher. I feel more confident now.
Welcome again, Sophie. We will learn together.
The market is busy today.
Yes, but I like it. It feels lively.
Kim, thank you again for taking me to the college yesterday.
My pleasure. How are you feeling about your English class?
I'm happy, but I feel a bit worried.
That's normal. You will feel better soon.
They placed me in level 2.
That's a strong start. You should be proud of yourself.
Thank you. I plan to review my lessons every evening.
That's great. Keep going every day. Progress takes time.
Your daughter is so cute, Kim. How old is she?
She is 6 years old. She has a lot of energy.
Yes, she is very active.
Yes, she asks many questions every day.
My son does the same.
How old is he?
He is 4 years old.
Does he go to preschool?
Yes, he goes 3 days a week.
Does he like it?
At first, he was shy. Now he enjoys it. That's good. Children learn quickly. Yes, especially languages. My daughter speaks Chinese at home and English at school. That's wonderful. I want my son to speak both Spanish and English. Sophie, are you finished with your shopping? Yes, I bought everything I needed. That was fast. I made a list before I left the house. That's smart. I forgot to buy milk. Oh no, do you need to go back? No, I'll buy it tomorrow. Now I need to cook dinner. What are you making tonight? Rice and vegetables, something simple. That sounds good. I still have to clean the kitchen. I understand. I also need to wash the dishes and fold the laundry. Housework never ends. It was nice talking with you, Kim. I enjoyed it as well. Let's talk again tomorrow. Of course. Have a good evening. You too. See you later. See you. You look happy, Ted. How was your day?
You are right, Sophie. I have good news.
Good news? Tell me.
I found a job
Really? That's wonderful. Where?
at a bakery near the train station.
A bakery? That's great.
Yes, I will start on Monday. It's full-time.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks. The manager was kind. He asked me about my experience.
Were you nervous?
A little, but I tried to speak clearly. What about you? How was your class today?
It was good. I introduced myself in front of the class.
What did you learn?
We practiced simple conversations and useful phrases.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, slowly. I understand more than before.
I'm happy to hear that.
We are both moving forward.
Yes, step by step.
I'm glad we didn't give up.
Me too. Things are getting better.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.